Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Group 10. In this video, I will demonstrate about our website for our project called StayEase, a hotel reservation and booking management system. There will be 3 roles in our project, which is the guest, receptionist, and administrator. Now I will demonstrate the guest first. As you can see, this is the first page for the guests when they are open our website. In this page, the guest can see some information about the hotel. First one is the number of the type room that available, the guest satisfaction, the rating of the hotel, and then we scroll a bit down. There will be an instant booking, the safe payment, the best price guarantee, and the 24-hour service. There are also a footer that explain about the company, the contact of the company, and the privacy policy. And then to reserve a room, the guest not need to log in first to do it. To make the reservation, the guest just need to input the check-in, check-out, and the number of the guests that will be stay on the room. For example, I will input the check-in, the check-out, and the number of the guests, and then we click the button. After that, it will be redirect to the catalog page. This page, the guest will see information about the room type that available. This page, there will be some information like the number of the room that available for this type, and then the capacity of the room, the rating, the name of the room, the description, the little description, and the price. The guest also can change the information about the check-in and check-out if the guest is maybe wrong input or something else. And then to reserve a room, the guest can click the button and move to the next page, which is the detail page that explain about the room type. Here, the guest can see the photo of the room, the number of the room that available, the capacity, the rate, the name of the type, the description, the full description, the price, and the other rating from the other guests. Next, the guests need to click this button to move to the next step, which is the filling the biodata. In this page, there will be more information about the detail, like the name of the type, the number of the room, check-in and check-out date, and the fully price. To complete or to move to the next step, which is the payment, the guests need to fill the biodata first. They need to fill the name, the identity number, the phone number, and the email. Here, the guest also can choose the identity number of the NIK, which is the identity number for Indonesia, and passport if there some other guests from the another country. And then the guest also can give more information if the guest just reserve for another guest. I mean, like if they need to need to book for the other guy, for another people, they need to check this box and input the data. This also need it's also to it's for also for if the guest maybe bring like one or more people, more than one people. The guest also can put more information, for example, like maybe they need more towels, or uh, maybe they need to give something, some information for the hotel, like maybe they have asthma or anything, like maybe no, no. If the guest finish fill this form, they can click this button lanjut ke pembayaran to move to the next step. In this payment page, there will be information about the limit time to do the payment, the payment method, the number to pay the hotel, and the information about the hotel reservation, like the name of the type, the check-in and check-out date, and the price. And the guests need to upload their payment to finish this payment, this reservation. If the guests finish uploading, they just click the confirmation button, and there will be a notification if the reservation is finished and need to verify first by the receptionist to finish the reservation. Now I will demonstrate for the guests when they log in to do the reservation. First of all, the guests need to registration first by clicking the register button on the navbar. Here they need to input their name, and then the email, the number, phone number, and then the password. They can also see the password, and then if the guest finish fill this form, they can click this button to move the next step, which is the filling the identity number. Here the guest also can choose using the NIC or passport for the identity number. For example, after they finish, they just click this button, and then now they can log in. After login, they will have more feature or get some feature like changing the profile, the history of the payment, and the history of the rating. First, let's do a reservation first by inputting the check-in, check-out date, and inputting the number of the guests that will be stay on the room. Then, in this biodata, it will be auto-filled by the data from their profile. The guests also can see the information of the reservation, and they also can add more detail or more data for the other guests, and also more information for the hotel. Next step is the same as usual, uploading the the payment, and then we confirm. After the reservation finish, the guest can see their reservation by clicking this feature. Then they can see if the data is still waiting for the verification of the receptionist. Now I will demonstrate to verify this reservation, which is the receptionist. In this page, this is the receptionist need to fill the form of the login for the staff, and then click login. This is the dashboard of the receptionist. Here the receptionist can verify the data of the reservation. They can see the history of the reservation and manage the guest data. Here, if the receptionist need to verify, they just click the data, and then they can see the information of the guest, the detail of the room, and then the picture of the payment with the method. Then there will be the total payment and the button to confirm or to download or for the reject. We click this confirmation button and it will be moved to the history of the reservation. This page, the receptionist can make a checkout if the guest need to check out or the guest is already finished stayed on the hotel by clicking the data, and then they can see the information like the name and the room. Then there will be two button, which is the finish the reservation and download the they can also donate they can also download the receipt for the reservation. If the receptionist click this button, finish the reservation, and then click OK, the data will change the status to checkout. And then the receptionist also can manage the guest data and add the guest if needed. Maybe like the guest need or maybe want to join a membership, then receptionist just can add by clicking this button, add guest, and then filling this form. Maybe for the profile picture and the date, the birth of date, it's optional, so you can just keep, and then there will be a notification and data the guest will be registered. Now I will demonstrate for the administrator role by going to the login of the staff and then inputting their account for the name, the password, and the role, same like the receptionist. Then the admin can add a room type by clicking this button and then inputting the data like the type code, maybe uh, like this, the price, the capacity of the room, description, and the photo of the room. Then the admin just click the add type, and it will be add to the data. The admin also can edit, like for the type, the name, the price, the capacity, description, and the photo. Also, they can delete the data. For example, maybe this. Then we move to the manage room. Here they can add, or the admin can add the room by clicking the add room and then inputting the room number and also the type that we already insert. This data will add this superior. Then the admin also can delete the data or edit the data. The administrator only edit the number room and the type, and then the admin also can delete the room like usual. Then there will be manage the receptionist. In this manage receptionist, the admin can add the receptionist by filling the form, like the name, the email, the phone number, and the password. Data will add. Admin also can edit, maybe the name, and also can delete the data. For the manage guest, the admin only can see the data and also can delete the data if needed. For the last, the guest can give a rating for the room. The guest can give a rating to the room that already finished, already checked out. By clicking this history, and then give the rating from 1 to 5, and then giving the note, maybe like if finish filling this form, it will be moved to this history, and also it will be appear on the type room, like this one. We rate this one and it will be appear here. That's all for our or my demonstration of our web called StayEase. My name is Dimas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.